All right, I'm going to make one for Aaron. Mad love for Aaron. You need a pair of scissors. Okay, Stephen, we're filming?
Yes.
All right, you might have to share scissors. Okay. So I like starting with cardstock. We're going to do cardstock. We're going to do the hamburger fold and make a good, nice, tight crease. Hamburger fold. You're going to open it up. Fold into the middle. Fold both flaps into the middle. The reason that I want you to do that is I wanted you to make 3 equally spaced creases. So it should look like this. Fold it back into the book form. And this is where you're going to take the scissors. And if you're going to make a mistake, here's where it comes. You're going to cut, so the book opens this way. You're going to cut from the fold just a little bit past the crease. So I'm going to cut this way. I want to cut it in such a way that I get 8 flaps. 8 flaps means 7 cuts. Okay? 8 flaps, 7 cuts. Normally the way I do it, I make my first cut. I just go about halfway. I don't let the OCD take over. I'm in control. OCD's not in control. Okay? There's the first cut. And then make 3 kind of equally spaced cuts to the left. Wow, I didn't do a good job there. Make 3 equally spaced cuts-ish to the other side. And if all goes well, you should have 8 little flaps. Oh good, I do have 8. They're not equally spaced, but I'm in control. The OCD is not in control. It's going to be okay. Now, you take your little strips, and you're going to weave. Okay? You're going to weave those strips in and out of the colored... Let me get back over here. Yeah. 1 cut in the middle, and then 3 to the left. And 3 to the right. If all goes well, when you've done your weave-in, it should look something like this. And then you're going to take another little strip, and you're going to weave it in the opposite way. Steve. Okay. All right. A couple of lessons being learned here. Dark blue cardstock is going to be really hard for friends to see. Yep. It's really, really hard to see. Sorry about that. So through the magic of technology, dark blue becomes light blue. Whoa. Yay! Okay.
And it's already written on.
And it's already written on. It's great. It's like those cooking shows. You put in the turkey and then you go to another oven. 5 seconds later, the turkey's done.
Wait, you make that.
You think I got new jokes every day?
He writes it out every day instead of doing homework.
Here's what I'm going to say today that's going to make the teenagers laugh. Some of you all clearly don't have a lot of experience with weave. Like, it's all natural.
We all know.
All right, we're going to pick up the pace. All right. In order for this to work, your foldable has to be in the W formation. W for winner. W for wizards.
That's another.
Sorry.
That's the upside down map.
Alright. And then in this first column, I'm just going to write a whole bunch of integration rules. Like the integral of k times dx where k is a constant. The integral of x to the n. The integral of 1 over x dx. The integral of 1 over 2 radical x dx. 1 over x squared dx. Sine of x. Cosine of x. E to the x. Those are the ones that I want to see written. Looks like I did get caught up. So the integral of k with respect to x, integral of x to the n with respect to x, integral of 1 over x.
Is this a constant?
It says k is a constant. Integral of 1 over 2 square roots of x. Integral of 1 over x squared. Integral sine of x. Integral cosine of x. And that last one is integral of e to the x. I'm going to hit freeze.
You didn't hit freeze.
I thought I hit freeze. There, now it's frozen. Alright. Alright, looks like most folks are ready to move on. Okay, so in W formation, you're going to push everything together, and then you fold apart from the middle. So one more time, it was flat, writing side up, make a W, push it together, pull apart from the middle. And now what you're going to write on the left-hand side are all the integration formulas. So the integral of k with respect to x is kx plus c. The integral of x to the n, 1 over n plus 1, x to the n plus 1 plus c. There's a little note here that n cannot be equal to -1. If n was equal to -1, you'd be trying to divide by 0. Universe would explode. We'll talk more about that tomorrow. Next one, natural log the absolute value of x plus c. Next one, square root of x plus c. Next one, negative 1 over x plus c. Negative cosine of x plus c. Positive sine of x plus c. E to the x plus c. Okay, let me hit freeze. And now because you guys are pros, you're not going to be surprised this time. No one's going to drop the F-bomb. That happened one time when we were filming, doing the Integration Foldable. I said, okay, like, flip it over, and they're like, it's blank! Except they said a bad word and I had to bleep them out. Okay. Make a W again. This only ever works in W formation. Make the W. And we're going to write on the other side. Now, what's going to happen, the bell's going to ring in just a minute. What you guys need to do is just kind of quickly write down these guys here, and then put in the answers later. But I'm going to keep filming, so if you guys, when you leave, can avoid walking in front of the camera. First one, integral of secant squared of x dx. Next one, integral of secant of x times tangent of x dx. Next one, the integral of e to the kx power, where k is a constant. Followed by the integral of sine of kx, where k is a constant. The integral of cosine kx, where k is a constant. The integral of 1 over 1 plus x squared. Do you guys know what this one is? Arctangent. Arctangent. The integral of 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. That one's going to be arcsine. Alright, so you lay it flat.
It's falling apart.
It's falling.
Yeah, your weave's falling apart.
Not my
So is my video.
Not my weave.
It's over.
Okay.
I don't know how to put it back to normal.
Alright, now. Alright. So now that you've done the writing, W, fold it, pull it apart from the middle.
Okay.
So I did have it. It's like this.
Myron, you take my pen.
This is like a phone.
Uh-huh.
That's right.
Okay.
Just don't know.
And now here come the answers. Tangent of x plus c. Secant of x plus c. 1 over k times e to the kx plus c.
Oh, sorry, that's mine.
Negative 1 over k times cosine kx plus c.
Sorry, kid.
1 over k times sine of kx plus c.
Okay, good.
Arc tangent of x plus c. And the last one is arc sine of x plus c. Okay, I'm going to let the video roll for another minute or so before I turn this off. I know we were going a little bit fast there, and some of you guys are not master weavers. I'll have mine tomorrow. You can look at it. You can make sure that you've got everything under control. Homework tonight is to do assignment number 90. It's just practice with the definite integral. And then that is how you're going to study for tomorrow's quiz. So you don't need to like do something and then study. Do the homework and you're fine.
The last one is hard.
Arc sine. It looks it's messy, sorry. Arc sine of x plus c.
AB also.
Alright, Gail. Thanks, sir.
This way I totally skipped. I totally almost skipped the fun. Yeah. That's good enough.
So everybody's this.
Later.
That's right.
Right. Don't worry about it. I'll send you an email.
Alright.
Bye, Mr. Dean.
See you guys later.